Hey guys, Joy here. Today we are doing TrainConductorWorld. Today we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 5. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 friends. So we're starting in Florence. So chaos. Let's see if the Genesis will show up. Yep, there's the Genesis coming. Make way. Watch out, watch out! Woo! That could have been Made a mistake, you guys. Let's try again. Whoops. I guess I'm doing normal in Florence this time. But I'm gonna say no. There's no way I'm doing that. Now for Madrid. Finish around in Madrid. Now do the trick. Chaos party. And guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's video because it'll be coming out, day after tomorrow. It will be a birthday party video, so stay tuned. And we'll show you. Day after tomorrow's video, so stay tuned. And voila! GG, baby! Now for a crash test in London. I love crashing trains. Oh, no, you don't. Boom, head on. Bang! Side swipe. Trains are falling in the water. Like guys. I always make mistakes. Boom! T-bone! Bang! Boom! I'm gonna let that train go, and voila! GG! We did it. Now crash test in Berlin. Oh, here comes the Genesis locomotive. Whole town is going fast. Stop the train. Oh no, another Genesis is on the way. Look how fast. Oh, Genesis ahead. Look out. Holy moly, that thing's going fast. Oh no, Genesis is on the way. Oh no. Blue and yellow Genesis. Oh, we're on track. Oh gosh, oh no. Ooh. Oh no, disaster coming in. Look how these trains are fast. Blah, blah, blah. We have completed it. That was a lot of boxes and a lot of Genesis. But GG, we made it on time. Oh, there's an event in Amsterdam. Finish around. You bet. Oh, Genesis is on the way. Oh no, here comes another one. Train. Oh gosh, another. That's a lot of Amtrak. Holy moly. Oh gosh. Then we got into a disaster. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of Amtrak. Pop balloon. And oh my word. That was almost a complete disaster on track. But GG. Okay. We got one track and voila. We completed this. We're doing more events? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, wrong track. I'm not doing that again. Well guys, that wraps up today's video. Stay tuned for more videos coming out soon, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.